Is Telegram's passcode lock not working on your iPhone? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable or re-enable passcode. Open Telegram on your iPhone, then tap Settings at the bottom right. Now tap Privacy and Security. Now select Passcode Lock, then tap Turn Passcode On. Enter a 4 to 6 digit code and re-enter the passcode. After that, tap Auto Lock, then select it if away for 1 minute. Now swipe the app and come back after 1 minute. Then see if it works. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache. If you still face this issue, then it perhaps caused corrupted caches. Open Telegram on your device and go to Settings at the bottom right. Then tap on Data and Storage. Now tap on Storage Usage and tap Clear Entire Cache. After that, confirm it, then check again if it works. Your iPhone should now send photos and videos on Telegram smoothly. If this helped, like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.